Hari Om, begin each day listening to the most auspicious sound in the universe. Yoga of Threefold Faith. Chapter 17, Shloka 4. The Sattvika or pure men worship the gods, Devas. The Rajsika or the passionate, the Yakshas and the Rakshasas. The others, Tamsika people or the dark or dull folk, worship the ghosts, pretas, and the hosts of bhutas, ghosts, or the nature or spirits.
Chapter 17, Shloka 4. Yajante satvika devan yaksharaksham rajasaha pretan bodhaganam chanye yajante tamasajanaha.
Chapter 17, Shloka 4. In this shloka, the term worship is to be understood as the devotion one offers at some altar for fulfillment from such invocation. It is not only worship of some god or deity. Every one of us is a worshipper at our own chosen altar. Even atheists are also worshippers. Perhaps they devote themselves to the altar of the sense objects or of wealth or of power. Men of sattvic temperament, because of their serene and tranquil nature, seek fulfillment at the altar of divinity, indicating the higher impulses and the nobler qualities of their being. Men of passionate nature, Rajasic, are those who have extreme ambition and are constantly restless in their self-chosen fields of activity. They worship demigods, yakshas, and rakshasas. The choice of the altar will depend upon the silent demands of one's heart. The tamasic men worship the pretas and the bhutas, the dead spirits, and such other low and vicious powers are invoked by the men of inactivity, tamas, for the satisfaction of some of their low urges for sense gratification. These professional jailbirds are the fit powers to be invoked to fulfill the low and criminal ambitions of the tamasic. The help gained from good friends, the protection invoked from the rich and the powerful, and the enormous strength gathered from the low, thoughtless men of criminal intentions are the altars at which men of serenity, sattvic, of ambition, rajasic, of heedlessness, tamasic, generally seek their individual satisfaction. From the nature of man's field of activity, it can be understood of what type he belongs. Learn more in the next shloka in the next video. To understand Gita, join Chinmaya Mission study group in your area. There are over 300 Chinmaya Mission centers in the world. Kindle Life is the first text prescribed in the scheme of study by Swami Chinmayananda himself. Watch Ranjot Kalra's videos on Kindle Life online. See this video clipping again and again till you can answer the following questions.